Hello everyone, welcome back to the month source. Okay, today kita ada unboxing ni video. Today kita akan unboxing Nintendo Switch Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe version. Okay, I just got this from Lazada. Right? Okay, let's see what's inside. Dia kata we have, of course, the Switch console itself, the two Joy-Cons, neon, blue and red. To be honest, I prefer the neon version lah compared dengan other versions, but the very striking colour dia kan. The Joy-Con strap, the HDMI cable, dia punya dock, the Joy-Con grip, the power adapter and the game itself. I think dia akan bagi code kot ataupun serial number so you can buy the game online because this is not a apa sih, full game download lah. It's not a physical game version. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Now, see what's inside. Okay, this is just the instruction how it's set up. So we see. Okay, firstly, okay, obviously you have the console itself, the Switch itself. This is the main thing, right? Dia punya kickstand kat situ, right? Then you have the Joy-Cons. Cantik Joy-Con, memang suka kalau Joy-Con neon, memang cantik lah, striking. I love the colors here, red and blue. You know what, I think I should change the blue to green since this is Mario version kan. So like this is Mario and this is Luigi kan, red and green kan. Should have done that. Okay, anyhow, see what's down here. Okay, this is the full game download. Okay, this is for the code dia lah. You have to scratch, get the codes and download, right? So this is standard instructions. Okay, normal. So we got here, these are the HDMI cable. Obviously this would be the power cable lah. HDMI power cable, standard, normal. Ni I think this is the grip, I think. Yes, this is the Joy-Con grip. Pasang Joy-Con kat sini. Nanti kita try pasang, slide kan. So this is Joy-Con grip. Saya balik. Anak-anak dah bising kat luar bilik tu, tak sabar masuk main. Papa tak pergi masuk, Papa cakap nak buat video unboxing dulu. Ni Joy-Con punya strap tu. Traditional Joy-Con strap. Okay. Okay, this lastly, this is the, obviously this will be the dock lah, the docking lah, right? Let's see. Yes, this will be the dock. Okay, dock dia. Let's see dia punya open kan. Open. Terus ni AC adapter. This is the USB. Ni HDMI out dia lah, kat situ lah kan. Dia punya dock ni, dia punya quality nampak macam suspect sikit lah. Looks a bit cheap if you ask me. The built material looks kind of like cheap plastic. Okay, anyhow. Right, let's check out the Joy-Cons, shall we? Let's check out the console itself. Take it out from the plastic. Right. So you have this is the game card. Sini kita ada the jack punya ni slot. This is the power. This is the volume rocker. You can see the volume rocker here, kan? And then the cable sini. This is the speaker, so to speak. This is the kickstand. Let's see macam mana. Oh, macam tu the kickstand lah. Oh, dia kena lock macam tu lah. Dia stand, kickstand. Okay, quality, build quality. First time pegang Switch ni, sebenarnya kat kedai pun tak pernah pegang tengok. Screen looks good, quality looks good, looks clean, good. Tengok Joy-Cons, the Joy-Cons. Let's see the Joy-Cons here. Joy-Con, oh, okay, now they're rubber material kan, and it feels very comfortable. The Joy-Con ni, I think Nintendo did a great job with this controller. It feels very comfortable here. Kalau pegang main macam ni, sedap kan? Really comfy, really comfy. Okay, let's try and slot it inside. Okay, dia slot pada atas tu slot. Okay, dia bunyi tu. That's what you want to hear. Now we have console. Obviously we have to charge first. Belum charge. Cuba on tengok ada power tak? Oh, okay. Ada some power. I don't know sempat buka ke tak. Itu dia. Anak-anak tak sabar tu. Ketuk-ketuk pintu. Okay. So I think here we have it. Our Nintendo Switch punya unboxing. Later nanti perhaps I give some review punya video after this once I try it on. Alright. So now I'm gonna go and set this up. Alright, okay guys. See you again in the next video. Bye.